Managing access and permission for files is key to effective collaboration. In this Bezi 101 lesson, we'll review how to share your file, how to invite contributors, and the different permission types available. To share your file, go to the top right of the Scene Editor toolbar and click on the Share button. Here you'll find options to share your file. These same settings can also be found in Play mode. The easiest way to share your file is by sharing the Play link. This lets anyone with this link view your project through the Play mode. While in this mode, viewers can play the file as they experience it and leave comments. The link will not let anyone edit your original file. However, they will be able to duplicate it into their own account by viewing it as a file. If you need greater security for your project, you can also enable password protection. This way, only those with a password can view the Play mode and duplicate the file. If you have an enterprise org, you can add passwords to files for more secure sharing with cross-functional teams and user research participants. Ask your account admin or check out our documentation for more info. To add contributors, go to the Share settings under the Invite section. File contributors can view or edit files depending on the permission level you give them. To show how permissions work, let's invite Bezi to this file. You can set her permissions when you invite her by clicking on the drop-down. As the file owner, you can change these permissions at any time or even remove permissions altogether. Once in, Bezi can work on the file in real time or asynchronously with full permissions. Note, if your file is within a team, all members within that team will automatically have access to that file. Their permission access at the team file level is by default the same as their team permissions level. We'll be going through teams and how to manage them later in the Bezi 101 course. Now that you have a solid understanding of how to invite contributors to your file and manage who gets access through file permissions, you are better equipped to collaborate with your team and keep your file secure. In our next Bezi 101 lesson, we'll explore how to enhance collaboration, ensuring you and your teammates stay perfectly in sync with real-time feedback and co-working all within the platform. We'll see you there.